it's that time again where we are off somewhere. This time we are going to London. We're going down by train, so we don't have any liquid allowance issues, but at the same time we don't want to be carrying around like big old bags and lugging them around London, or like trolley bags, so we are still sticking to our hand luggage only size that we would take on a flight with us. Minus Gigi, who is just, yeah, comfortable. Thank you for looking adorable, darling. Thank you. Hi. So if I can start, as always, you know, everything always starts with this. 3 pairs of pants, wash one, wear one, spare one. 2 pairs of socks, because I'm running out of socks. I need more, so I'll just take 2. I can wash them. There is a washing machine in the apartment we're staying in, so that's all good. I'll get more if I need them. If not, I can wash them. And a spare sports bra. Those are the basics that I always take with me, you know, the boring stuff. Then, because we're not quite sure what the weather's going to be like, it's like over, what's the word I'm looking for? Overcast. Or it's warm, or it's raining. So I'm taking a variety of things. Thank you for helping. Thank you again. I've got a pair of shorts. These are quite thick shorts as well, so they will take a while to dry. Luckily we do have a washing machine at the apartment, so that is going to be good, but I don't know if it includes a dryer, so we'll see how that goes. A pair of leggings, and I'm also going to wear a pair of harem pants, so that kind of covers everything. So I've got leggings if it's wet and cold, I've got harem pants if it's kind of a bit chilly but at the same time quite warm, and I've got shorts for if it's super warm. Tops wise, I have got a vest. Everything's black, so it's kind of hard to show you. And I've got a long t-shirt. So again, depending on the weather, I can wear both. I can wear just one. I've got kind of coverage. I will also be wearing a vest and a t-shirt on the way down there, because we leave quite early, so it's going to be a bit chilly. So I can wear these things and have kind of double of everything without having to try and fit it all in this bag. Then what have we got? We've got some fun stuff here. Face cloth and soap, because I don't know if there is going to be soap and things included, so face cloth and soap. I've got some other kind of toiletry type bits in here. So again, because we don't have to worry about flying, I can take things with me. Like I've got lip balm, which I'd take with me anyway, a pen, mints, because why not? Things like this, like a knife, scissor set, and a nail file, and the rest is kind of earbuds, because it saves us buying them, because we've always got hundreds of them. The reason why I'm taking like a nail file and a little pair of scissors is that since working in a kitchen for the last couple of days, my hands are just utterly destroyed, as you can see. So I kind of need those, because otherwise I end up with hangnails, it gets really sore and it's horrible. And this thing, which just refuses to die, also doubles up as like a bit of an emergency kind of moisturiser for like super dry bits. So that'll help, especially with things like that. I've also got this cocoa butter, which you can see in there. The reason I've got this is I'm going to get tattooed while I am down there. So I bought this last time we were in London and I got tattooed, and it seems stupid to not take the rest of it and finish it and buy more, because that's a waste of money and that would be stupid. So tattoo cream. My always handy tissue for blowing your nose, wiping your hands, whatever you need to do. It washes, it dries super quickly, so I always carry one of these, because it's amazing. I've got my tablet. I was going to take a book, but I'm going to take my tablet instead, because it has a few different books on it, just to save kind of bringing them down and like travelling back with them, because just because money is a bit kind of up in the air at the moment, I'm reluctant to leave books behind like I normally would. I'll bring them back and like maybe eBay them, or put them Music Magpie or whoever it is that accepts books, just to try and make a bit of money back to then buy more books. So that's why I'm taking that with me. Technology wise as well, I'm also going to take my laptop, because then I can edit videos and then I can post them for you lovely people. So I've got my laptop sitting in there as well, also in black, a lovely sea of black, except for my face cloth, which I also have in black, but these ones are wearing out, so I need to use them up so that they can, you know, go in the bin or be recycled after they have been appropriately used, rather than just because I've got a new one. So, black. Including the cat, which sadly isn't coming with us. Last of all, I've got my little thing here. It's got my passport in it. Now, obviously we do not need a passport to go from Scotland to England yet, unless we get independence, but that's a whole other video. The reason we have got our passports with us is that we need to go to an embassy while we are in London, so that we can get a visa for our next trip. Ooh, but where is this trip, you ask? It's a secret. We'll tell you another time. I've also got some English notes. In Scotland, we have different notes. So we have 3 different banks, and the English are really funny about accepting Scottish money, which drives us bonkers. So we have to leave behind any Scottish money. And I'm just taking the English money with me because I've got some, and it seems stupid to not kind of take what I've already got rather than keep taking money out of my bank. So that is what is in here. Now, last but not least, I need to go get it. We have also got a bag of food to take with us. Because we are travelling by train. We leave at like 8 in the morning and we come back, we land there. We arrive in London about 12:45. We're going to need food in that time, so rather than buying food on the train or buying ready meals, we are taking some with us. However, if you want to see what is in this bag, you're going to have to head on over to Patreon. We do have a Patreon account, so we have that there so you can support us if you want to. You get special videos, extra videos that you do not see on here, such as what is in this mystical bag. So head on over to patreon.com/a year of vegan eats to check that out, and also to give us a wee bit of support. So other than that, that is what we are taking to London. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so we can hit that magic 1,000 subscribers. Check us out on Patreon, and we will see you next time.